To get a chess on Duolingo, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to get the chess on Duolingo. Now, if you want to get the chess on Duolingo, the first step is check availability. So if Duolingo chess is a separate app from main than the Duolingo app, so you just need to open the Duolingo and see if there is any chess like icon. So there is the chess like icon on my app. So you just need to update the app and see if there is any chess like icon available for it or not. Secondly, you just need to sign into your Duolingo account. So you just need to sign into your Duolingo, and it also helps you to combine chess lessons and learning by playing on the same way. So if you tap on it, and if you tap on the chess like before I did, and if you click on the option of start learning, then you'll be able to start learning the chess on it also. So that's it. That's how you can get the chess on Duolingo app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.